Good evening, students. Today we will discuss paper number 254, see quantitative aptitude. The table given shows the number of males and females participated in the event from 5 different schools. Study the table carefully, then answer the question. So here there are 5 schools and males and females are there. Based on this we have to answer the questions. See the first question. Find the average number of females participated from ABD. ABD females. A females 450. Then B females 420, D females again 450. Total we are going to get 1320. Now average we need divided by 3. 3 fours 340. It is 440. Next question. The total males of B and D is how much more or less than females of A and C? B and D males. B and D males, that is 540, 560. 540 plus 560, that is how much? 1100. Then A and C females. A and C females. 450 plus 500. 450 plus 500, that is 950. Now the difference, we want to find the difference of 1100 and 950. 0, 5, 1. It is 150. 1 is the correct answer. Next. The total male participants of B and C is how much more or less than females of A and D? Males of B and C. Males of B 540, C 720. 540 plus 720, that is 1260. It is how much less than females of A and D? Females of A 450, D 450. So 450 plus 450, 900. Now we want to find this is how much more or less than this. See, 1260 is how much more than 90. So you can cancel 0. 126 is 30 more than 90. From where? 90 into 100. 0, 0 cancel. We are going to get 40%. 4 is the correct answer. See the next one. If the total males of F are 40% more than that of A. So A males are how many? 650. A males are how many? 650. 40% more means 7 by 5. So we are going to get 910. This is F males. This is F males. Now the ratio of the females and the ratio of female participants of B to that of F is 21:32. So female participants of B to that of female participants of F, that is given as 21:32. Now female participants of B 420. So 21 parts equal to 420. 32 parts equal to 640. Now we want F males plus females. F males already we got 910. F females now we got 640. So total we are going to get 1550. 1550 is the correct answer. 1550 is the correct answer. See the next one. Find the total number of males of all 5. So you have to calculate total males. See 650, 540, 720, 560, this one. So we are going to get 0. Then 8 plus 6, 14, 16, 20, 25. 2 plus 6, 8, 13, 20, 25, 31. We are going to get 3150. 2 is the correct answer. Next one. What will come in the place of the question mark in the following number series? X, 100, 150, 375, 13, 12.5. So here 100 to become 150 into 1.5. 150 to become 375 into 2.5. 150 into 2, 300. 150 into 0.5, 75. So 375. Then into 3.5. First one should be into 0.5. Something into 0.5 is equal to 100 means x value will be 200. 200 is the correct answer. Next question. 104, question mark, 96, 120, 88 and 128. See what should come in the place of the question mark. 96, 120 means 24 plus, and 120, 88 means minus 32. Again plus 40. Multiples of 8. 8 3s, 8 4s, 8 5s. Now it will be minus 16. X minus 16, 96. 96 plus 16 will be equal to 102. So 112. 112 is the correct answer. 1. Next question. 15, 8, 9, 15, 32 question mark. See this one. 15 into 0.5, 7.5 plus 0.5. Then into 1 plus 1. Then into 1.5 plus 1.5. Then into 2 plus 2. Then into 2.5 plus 2.5. 32 into 2.5 is 80 plus 2.5, that is 82.5. 4 is the correct answer. 6, 8, 14, 26, 46 question mark. 6 to become 8 plus 2, then plus 6, then plus 12, then plus 20. Next 4 gap, 6 gap, 8 gap, now 10 gap. 46 plus 30, that is 76 is the correct answer. 76. Next question. 72,000, 36,000, 12,000, 3,600 and question mark. So divided by 2, divided by 3, divided by 4, divided by 5, divided by 6, that is 100. 5 is the correct answer. Next. 12 men can do the work in 10 days while 10 women can do the same work in 18 days. So 12 men 10 days, that means 12 into 10, 120 men. 10 women 18 days, 180 women. 0 0 cancel. 2 men is equal to 3 women. Now in how many days? 4 men and 6 men. 2 men 3 women. 4 men is equal to 6 women. 6 women plus 6 women, that means 12 women will take how many days? See, 10 women they will take 18 days. 12 women they will take less days. So 10 by 12 into 18. 6 2s, 6 3s, 2 1s, 2 5s. So they will complete the work in 15 days. 15 days is the correct answer. See the next one. A car can cover a distance of 4 in 4 hours at the speed of 60 km per hour. By what percent it should the speed of the car be increased to cover the same distance in 2.5 hours? 2.5 hours. So 4 hours the speed is 60 km per hour. In order to cover the distance in 4 hours, the speed should be 60. But we have to cover the same distance in 2.5. So there should be more speed. If you want to cover 60 in 4 hours, the car speed should be 60 km per hour. But the same distance should be covered in 2.5 hours. The speed should be increased. So more by less. 4 by 2.5 into 60, or else 4 by 25 into 600. So how much we are going to get? 96. So 60 should be increased to 96. Previously it was 60, now it is 96. How much is the increase? 36. From where? 60 into 100. 23s, 25s, 3 1s, 3 12s. 60% increase should be there in the speed. How much percent increase? 60%. Next, the ratio of the ages of Ram and Rahim 10 years ago was 1:3. So 10 years ago 1:3. The ratio 5 years hence. 5 years hence. So 10 years ago Ram was X, Rahim was 3X. Now 10 years ago and 5 years hence. That means we should add 15 years. After 15 years it will be equal to 2 by 3. That means 3x plus 45 is equal to 6x plus 30. 3x is equal to 15. X value 5. If x value is 5, present ages. So present ages is how much? Present age means x plus 10. So Ram present is x. 10 years back it is x. Now x plus 10. So that will be 15. And this fellow 3x plus 15. That means 15. 3x means 15. 15 plus 10 is 25. So we will get 15 is to 25, or else it is 3 is to 5. Who is the correct answer? Next question. Two trains of length 140 and 120 are running in the same direction in the parallel tracks with the speed of 132 and 80. How much time they will take? One train is crossing another train. Total length will be 260. 140 plus 120, 260. Now one is speed 132, other speed 80. and they are crossing each other. They are crossing each other, moving in the same direction. Same direction means we should do minus. What is 132 minus 80? That is 52. We should convert into meter per second, 5 by 18. So it will be equal to 260 into 18 by 260. So it will take how many seconds? 18 seconds. 2 is the correct answer. Next. A person sold a book at 20% profit. If he had bought at 10% less and sold at 90 rupees more, he would have gained 40% profit. Find the cost price of the book. So 20% profit means cost price will be 5x, selling price should be 6x. 10% less means cost price will be 5x into 90 by 100, or else it will be equal to 4.5x, and selling price is 90 more than the 90 more. 90 more means previously it was 6x, now 6x plus 90. He would have gained 40% profit. 40% profit means 7 by 5. So 4.5x into, since it is 40% profit, 7 by 5 is equal to 6x plus 90. Now if you do the calculation, 31.5x is equal to 30x plus 450, or else 1.5x is equal to 450. X value is equal to 300. What is X value? 300. We want cost price of the book. Cost price 5x. So 5 into 300 is 1500. This is cost price. This is 40% profit means 7 by 5. That will be equal to selling price. What is the selling price? 6x plus 90. If you do the calculation, X value 300. Cost price 5x means 1500. Next question. Quadratic equations. X is equal to root 25 means x value is equal to 5, y value is equal to 5, therefore x is equal to y. X is equal to y is the correct answer. 1. Next question. X square plus 2x minus 35. X square plus 2x minus 35. Plus 2x minus 35 is 0. Y square plus 15y plus 56 0. So here we can take plus 7 minus 2. Here we can take plus 7 plus 8. Answers minus 7 plus 2, minus 7 minus 8. Minus 7 minus 7. X equal to y, and plus is always greater than minus, x greater than y. Therefore we can say x greater than or equal to y. 4 is the correct answer. Next. X square is equal to 81 means x is equal to plus or minus 9. Y is equal to plus or minus 8. 1 plus 1 minus means there will be no relation. Next question. 17x square minus 14x minus 83. So this is equal to minus 80. If it comes to the left hand side, it becomes plus 80. Therefore it is minus 3 is equal to 0. You can take minus 17 plus 3, because 17 is 3, 51. The difference of 17 and 3 minus 14. Then 17 by 17 1, minus 3 by 17. These are the values of x. Then y square minus 2y minus 35 is equal to 0. You can take minus 7 and plus 5. Answers plus 7 minus 5. See, again here 1 plus 1 minus, 1 plus 1 minus. Therefore there is no relation. That is the correct answer. Next question. X square plus 4x minus 45 is 0. Y square minus 13y plus 40 is equal to 0. Here we can take plus 9 minus 5. Here we can take minus 5 minus 8. Answers minus 9 plus 5. Here plus 5 plus 8. So plus 5 plus 5. X is equal to y. Minus is always less than plus. X less than y. Therefore we can say x less than or equal to y. Next question. A container contains the milk and water in the ratio of 5:3. If 8 liters of milk is added, milk 5, water 3. Therefore milk will be 5x, water will be 3x. Now 8 liters of milk is added. Then it becomes 11:5. So if you do the calculation, 25x plus 40 is equal to 33x. 8x is equal to 40. X value 5. Find the difference of initial quantity of milk and water. 5 and 3, the difference is 2 parts. So 2 into 5 is 10 liters. 10 liters is the correct answer. Option 5. Next question. Rupees 6,000 when invested at the rate of SI for 2 years, it fetches 1200. 1200. If the same sum is invested at the same rate for compound half yearly, then find the compound interest. So for 2 years it is 1200 means simple interest. 1 year it is 600. Now 6,000 is the principal, 600 is the interest. Therefore R value is 10%. 600 is what percent of 6,000? 10%. Now if the same sum, that means 6,000, is invested for year at compounding half yearly, 10% is per year. Half year means it is 5%. So compounding half yearly means 5 plus 25 by 100, that is 10.25%. Now 60 into 10.25, generally we should take 6,000 into 10.25 by 100 or else 60 into 2. 60 into 10 600, 60 into 0.25 is 15. So what is the compound interest we are going to get? 615. 615 is the compound interest. 1 is the correct answer. Next question. A boat can cover 28 kilometers downstream in 42 minutes at the speed. The ratio of the speed of boat in still water to the top speed of stream is 7:3. Find the difference between the time taken by boat to cover 60 downstream and 40 upstream. See here, boat speed 7, current speed 3, upstream will be 4, downstream will be 10. Now 28 kilometers in 42 minutes. 28 by 42 by 60 or else 28 into 60 by 42. 6 7 6 10 7 1 7 4. It is 40 kilometer per hour. This is downstream speed. So 10 parts equal to 40 kilometer. Therefore 4 parts equal to 16 kilometer. Now find the difference between the time taken by the boat to cover 60 kilometers downstream. So 60 by 40, that is 3 by 2, and 40 upstream, 40 by 16. 40 by 16. This will be 5 by 2. The difference of 5 by 2 and 3 by 2 is 2 by 2. 2 by 2 is 1 hour. 1 hour is the correct answer. Next. A and B, they entered into a business by investing a total capital of 17,000. B withdraws 1,500 after 6 months and get 8,100 as the profit out of the total profit of 19,500 at the end of the year. Find the capital of B after 6 months from the starting. Now we are having two persons, A and B. A is investing X for 12 months. B, they are total investing 17,000. So B initially 17,000 minus X after 6 months. So it will be for 6 months. After 6 months, B is withdrawing 1,500. So 17,000 minus 1,500, that will be 15,500 minus X. That will be for balance how many months? 6 months. Now this will be 12x. This is 17 into 6, 102,000. This is 155 into 6, that is 93,000. 93,000. Total 195,000. So 195,000 minus, this is minus 6x minus 6x minus 12x. If you do with 6, we will get 2x. This will be 6 3s 18, 6 2s minus 2x. So A 2x, B 32,500 minus 2x. Now read the question. And B is getting 8,100. So what is the share of B? B is getting 18,500. Share of B 32,500 minus 2x into out of total profit of 19,500. So total profit is 19,500 by total 32,500 minus 2x plus 2x. See, this is 32,500 minus 2x plus 2x will be 32,500. 32,500. That is equal to 8,100. This is B share. B share is this one. So here total profit 19,500. This is 32,500 is equal to 8,100. Now if you do the calculation, see here, 2 zeros cancel. Now 5 3s or else 65. With 65 we can do. With 65 3s, 65 5s, 500. Therefore how much we are going to get? See the calculations carefully. 3 into 32,500, that is 97,500 minus 6x is equal to 500 into 81, that is 40500. Therefore 6x is equal to 57,500. X value 57,500 by 6, 6 9s 54, 9,500. X value is 9,500. We want the capital of B after 6 months. After 6 months it is 15,500 minus x, that is 15,500 minus 9,500, that will be equal to 6,000. This is the correct answer. 6,000 is the correct answer. See the next question. If the length of the rectangle is increased by 40% while keeping the breadth constant, then the area of the rectangle is increased by 24 and perimeter is of the original rectangle is 32. So here you take length as x, breadth as y. So length is increasing by 40%. Length will be 1.4x. Breadth will be constant. Then the area is increased by 24. So now area will be equal to 1.4xy. Here area is equal to xy. The difference 1.4 xy minus xy is equal to 24. Is equal to 24. Therefore xy is equal to how much? 0.4 xy is equal to 24. Xy is equal to 60. Xy is equal to 60. And the perimeter of the original rectangle 2 of x plus y is equal to 32. Therefore x plus y is equal to 16. See here, x plus y should be 16, xy should be equal to 60. We can take only 10 and 6. If we take 10 and 6, 10 into 6, 60, 10 plus 6, 16. Therefore length will be 10, breadth will be 6. 3 is the correct answer. Then see the next one. What should come in the place of the question mark? 280 by 4, 70. 70 by 2 is 35. So 35 is equal to 170 minus x. X is equal to 135. 4 is the correct answer. Next. Root of 144. What is root of 144? Root of 144 is 12. This is 12. This is 13. 12 plus 13, 25. 25 into 3, 75. 75 is equal to x by 5. X is equal to 375. 1. Next question. 12 into 5, 60. 60 by 4, 15. 15 into 8 is how much? 120. 12 into 5, 60. 60 by 4, 15. 15 into 8, 120. 120 is the correct answer. Next one. 120%, that means 6 by 5 of 750 by x is equal to 25. Now this is 30 times, this is 6. So x value will be equal to 36. Next question. See here, 8 plus 3, 11. 11 minus 4, 7. 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 minus 5 by 6 can be written as 10 by 12 plus 7 by 12. Minus 10 by 12 plus 7 by 12 is minus 3 by 12. That means 1 by 2 minus 1 by 4. That is equal to 1 by 4. So we are going to get 7 1 by 4. 7 1 by 4 is the correct answer. Next question. 275 plus 275 plus, this is 275 plus 64% of 750. 64% of 750. 25 fours, 25 30s, 4 ones, 4 16. That is 480. 480 plus 275. 5 15, 755. 755 minus 750, that is equal to 5. 5 is the correct answer. 5. Next question, 62. Root of 225 is 15 plus 9 plus 144. So 168 we are going to get 1. Next question. 510 by x is equal to 18 plus 3.25, that is 21.25. X is equal to 5100 by 21, 25. How much we are going to get? See, 5100. 2 times, or else we can take 51,000, because we are going to cancel the point. You have 2 zeros. 51,000 with 2125. First we are going to get 4250. 0, 5, 8500. Now how many times? 4 times. 24 is the correct answer. Next, 12.5% means 1 by 8 of 120 plus x is equal to 45, or else 120 plus x is equal to 360. X value 240. 4 is the correct answer. Next, see the next question. 65. 572 divided by 13. 572, 13 fours, again 13 fours. 44 into 12 minus 16, that is 528 minus 16, that is 512. 512 is equal to 8 power x. X value will be equal to 3. 3 is the correct answer. See the next one. Reasoning ability. There are 8 employees of the company. All of them are working in different designations, that is chairman, CFO, GM, DGM, AGM, then manager, junior manager, clerk. All the designations are to be given in the order. Chairman is the senior most, clerk is the junior most. Only 2 persons are senior to B. One designation lies in between B and G. The number of persons junior to G is same as the number of persons senior to C. H is just junior to E, but junior to C. More than 4 designations are there between H and F. D is junior to A. Now we are having the designations, that is this is designation, this one will be the person. See, first chairman, then CFO, then GM, then DGM, then AGM, manager, junior manager, then clerk. These are all the designations. Chairman, CFO, GM, DGM, AGM, manager, junior manager, clerk. Now only 2 persons are senior to B. So this is B, because there are 2 persons senior to B. One designation lies in between B and G. So between B and G there is 1. The number of persons junior to G, 1, 2, 3 is same as the number of persons senior to C. Senior to C also there should be 3. So C will be DGM. Then H is just junior to E but junior to C. H is just senior to E but H is junior to C. So this will be like this, CHE. Then so this should be like this, CHE. Then more than 1 person, more than 4 persons are there between H and F. Between H and F there are more than 4 persons. This is H, this will be F, then CHE. More than 4 persons are there between H and F. D is junior to A. D is junior to A. So this is what we got. D is junior to A. So this is the information we got. Now based on this we should answer the questions. See, chairman, CFO, GM, DGM, AGM, manager, then junior manager, then clerk. So we got the persons like F, A, B, C, G, D, H, E. Now come to the questions. How many persons are junior to H? Only 1 person is junior to H. Then 4 of the following 5 are alike in certain way and hence form a group. Which is the one that does not belong to group? See, AF, neighbors, AF are neighbors, BA neighbors, HD neighbors, GA they are not neighbors. So fourth one is the odd one out. Then how many designations gap is there between A and D? Between A and D there is 3 gap. 3. Then who is just senior to B? Just senior to B, A. Who is AGM? G is the AGM. Next one, 71 to 73. See, here we are having syllogisms. We have to draw the Venn diagrams and we have to solve this. See the first one. Some bananas are orange. Some bananas are orange. All orange is apple. First conclusion. Some bananas are not apple does not follow, because we don't have no statement, we will not get some not. Some oranges are banana definitely follows. So only 2 follows. Next question. Only few east is north. Only few east is north. Few north is south. Few north is south. All south is west. Now all east being north is a possibility. Here only few east is north. So all east being north is a possibility, will not come, because only few means both some and some not. Some west or east or west. There is no relation between east and west, and it is not a possibility also. So neither one, not two. Next one. Only few song is melody. Only few song is melody. Only few melody is film. Only few melody is film. No film is award. Now all song being film is a possibility, definitely follows, since there is no relation. Some melody are not award. See here, no film is award. Inside film some part of melody is there. So some melody is not award also definitely follows. Both 1 and 2 follows. Next one, 74. We have to find the coding. We have to find the codes for each and every word. Then we have to answer the question. See here. Clubhouse near located. Both club view near. Make located house view near club view area. See the first statement. Club near. Here also club near. Here also near club. So in all 3 statements we are having club and also near. We can see OX OT. OX OT. Here also OX OT. So the code for club or near can be either OX or OT. OX OT is for club near. Then house located. House located. Here we are having house. Here we are having house. Here we are having located. Here also we are having located. Again the code for either house or located can be either OL or GP. Either OL or GP. With this we completed first. Now come to the second. Now OX OT, club near. Both view. So here we are having view. Here also we are having view. In both we are having SQ. So view means SQ. View means SQ. If view is SQ, both is left, empty is left. So both means empty. Both means we will get empty. Now come to the next one. Make located house view. House located means either OL or GP. View means SQ. We are left out with NK. We are left out with make. So make means NK. Make code is NK. Now come to the last. Near club view area. Near club OX OT. Near club. View means SQ. Area means TM. Now come to the questions. What is the code for both? Empty. What is the code for house? Either OL or GP. Either OL or GP. Either A or C. NK stands for make. What is the code for both house? Both means empty. House means either OL or GP. So along with empty, OL should come or GP should come. OL or GP. So we are having GP empty. So 1 is the correct answer. 1 is the correct answer. See the next one. 78 to 82. This is one circle puzzle. There are 8 persons sitting around a circle. So all of you draw 2 circles. We will do in 2 possibilities. 8 persons means 1 plus and 1 into. This is 1 plus and 1 into circle. All of them are facing to the center. B is sitting third to the right of A. A right third B. A right third B. One person is there between B and D. So here left side, here right side, here left side. Then E faces C and C is not the neighbor of B. So C is not the neighbor of B. Again E is facing C. So here we will get E, here we will get C. The same thing we will do, E, C. G is sitting third to the left of F. So G is sitting third to the left of F. A is not the neighbor of F. So here and here we won't get F. So here if you take F, here we will get G, here we will get H. Now G is sitting third to the left of F. So if I take F, it is not possible to write G. So this one is wrong, this one is correct. Now come to the questions. Now we will see the questions. See the circle once again. F, D, B, E, this is E, G, A, H, C. Now come to the questions. Who is to the immediate left of C? D is the correct answer. Who is sitting opposite to A? F is the correct answer. How many persons are there between H and G when you count to the left side of G? So when you count to the left side of G, see this is G. G left side, only one person. Only one is the correct. If all the persons are made to sit in alphabetical in clockwise direction, from starting from A. Starting from A clockwise means this is A, this is B, C, D, then E, then F, then G, then H. How many are remaining unchanged except A? So C is remaining unchanged, D is also remaining unchanged. So two persons are there, D and C, who are remaining unchanged. Next one. What is the position of B with respect to H? So this is H, this is B. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 through the right, or else we can take 4 through the left. Both are correct. 4 through the right, also 4 through the left. 4 through the right is correct, 4 through the left is also correct. So answer will be both A and B. 4 through the right or 4 through the left. So both A and B is the correct answer. That means option will be 5. See the next one. This is related to directions and distance. Point E is 15 meters to the north of D. F is 20 meters to the north of C. A is 35 meters to the east of F. P is 25 meters south of A. E is 20 meters to the east of P. First one. E is 15 meters north of D. First write down D. First write down D. D north. D north. This is north. How many meters? 15 meters. We will get which point? E. This is E. This is E. Then see the next one. E is 20 meters east of P. E is 20 meters east of P. So P east. So this will be east of P. How many meters? 20. Here we will get which point? P. Then P is 25 meters south of A. P is 25 meters south of A. This is A, 25 meters P. A is 35 meters east of F. That means A left. A left 35 meters. We will get which point? F. F is 20 meters north of C. F is 20 meters north of C. This is just 20 meters. So here we will get which point? C. This is 20 meters. Now this is the total puzzle we are having. Now based on this we should answer the questions. See the first question. See the directions we got. Again I am drawing. 35 meters A, 25 meters P, 20 meters E, 15 meters D, 20 meters C. Now, what is the direction of F with respect to P? This is P, this is F. So, where is F with respect to P? It is on the north and to the left side. So, that is north west is the correct answer. Then, 4 of the following 5 are alike in certain way and hence form a group. Which is the one that does not belong to group? CP. So, when we see from P, where is C? When we see from P, C is to the northwest. AE. When we see from E, A is to the northwest. AC. When we see from C, A is to the northeast. So, here only this one is northeast. Remaining all, the first person is to the northwest of the second person. Then see the next one. If X is 20 meters to the south of C, X is 20 meters to the south of C. That means from C, all of you draw one straight line. Here we will get X. This is 20 meters. This is 20. Why? Because this is 25 plus 15, 40. 20 plus 20, 40. So, exactly X is opposite to D. Then what is the distance between X and D? This distance. This is 35, this is 20. Total 55. 55 is the correct answer. Next question. Based on the numbers, we have to answer the given questions. See the first one. What is the sum of the third digit of the second number from left? So, second number from left, 427. In this third digit, 7. And second digit of the third number from right, 189, 8. So, 7 plus 8, 15. If the positions of first and third are interchanged, so positions of 1 and 3 we should interchange. So, 526, 724, 981, 852, 964. Then, which is the highest number? Highest number is 981, the number is 189. If all the numbers are arranged in descending within the number descending order, 652, 742, 981, 852, 964. Then which is the lowest number? Lowest number is 652. The correct number for this is 625. 625 is the correct answer. What is the product of third digit of the second lowest number? Second lowest number is 258. In this third digit, 8. First digit of the second highest number. Second highest number, 469. In this, the first digit, 4. What is the product of 8 and 4? 32. 8 into 4 is 32. Next question. If 2 is subtracted from each number, then how many odd numbers are formed? If 2 is subtracted from each number. So, 2 is subtracted from each number means we will get 625 means 623, then 425, then 187, then 256, then 467. Now, what is the question? How many odd numbers are formed? See, this is the odd number, this is the odd number, 3, 4. So, more than 3 is the correct answer. More than 3, that is the correct answer. Next. How many such numerals are there in the number 645903287, which will remain in the same position when arranged in ascending order from left to right? That means 0, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So, only one number is remaining at the same, that is 8. 8 is remaining at the same position. Then, if it is possible to make only one meaningful word with the first, third, fifth and 11th. First, third, fifth, then 11th E. I-H-R-E. So, how many meaningful words? Higher we will get. Hair we will get. Higher and hair. 2 meaningful words. So, more than one word, your answer is Y. 1 is the correct answer. See the next question. 93 to 97. 8 persons A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H are going to buy the products one after the other, but not necessarily in the same order. at most 2 persons are there before F, only one person is there between D and F, C is buying just before H, one person is there between C and D, A is buying just before E, B is buying before G and after E. Now there are totally 8 persons, so write down the numbers from 1 to 8. We will do this in two possibilities. This is the first possibility, this is the second possibility. Now at most 2 persons are buying before F, so maximum 2 persons are there before F, maximum 2 persons. Then only one person is there between D and F. Between D and F there is one person. Between D and F there is one person. Then one person is there between C and D. Between C and D there is one person. Between C and D there is one person. Then A is buying just before E. A is buying just before E. A is buying just before E. B is buying before G after E. So the arrangement should come like this. So if I write A is buying just before E. A is buying just before E. E A. B is buying before G but and after E. G. B is buying before G. B is buying before G. B but after E. So we can't get this arrangement EBG in this here. The second one is wrong. Now see the first one. C is buying just before H. C is buying just before H. Now B is buying before G but after E. So B will come here. So here G will come. So the arrangement is A E F B D G C H. This is the correct arrangement. Now come to the questions. See the arrangement A E F B D G C H. Now how many persons are there after D? After D how many persons are there? 3 persons are there. Exactly 3 persons. So none of these. Who is buying just after G? C. If all the persons are arranged in alphabetical order from left to right starting from A, then how many will remain at the same position? See, we have to arrange them in the alphabetical order. See like this 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. First the arrangement is A E F B D G C H. Now arrange in the alphabetical order. So A B C D E F G H. Except A, which is remaining at the same? H. H is remaining at the same. So only one, that is H. Who is exactly in between D and F? This is D, this is F. Who is exactly in between? B. How many persons are there between E and C? Between E and C, 1, 2, 3, 4 persons are there. 4 persons are there between E and C. Next, 98 to 100, this is inequalities. P greater than Q, Q greater than or equal to R, R is equal to S, S less than T, T is equal to U. Now Q greater than S, Q is equal to S. Either 1 or 2. Either 1 or 2. Because from Q to S we are having greater than or equal to. Then see the next one. J less than D, D is equal to L, L less than or equal to K, K less than or equal to Q, Q greater than or equal to R. J less than Q definitely follows, L less than or equal to R does not follow. So only one follows. Next one. O greater than P, P is equal to G, G greater than B, B greater than or equal to H, X is equal to M, M less than or equal to H. G greater than X definitely follows. O greater than M, that also definitely follows. So both 1 and 2 follows. 5 is the correct answer. So with this we completed the second paper. This is 254 paper. So tomorrow we will start the new paper.